Hey guys, got a 2012 plate Peugeot 107 here. Just going to show you how to adjust the date and the time on this one. So on this one, we're going to come to the centre of the dash on the radio. From here, I'm going to press the menu button. Then you want to go to configuration. Then time, and from here you have the top left one does the hours going up, and the middle one goes the hours going down, and then on the right we'll do the minutes, and then once you're done with that, just press the bottom right, it says OK, and that sets it, and that's it.